all about labels. Welcome to the labels tutorial for Keyshot. Keyshot's label features makes it very easy to apply logos, decals, and images to your models for an added touch of realism. Labels can be imported to your texture library or added to each material via the Labels tab. All image types are supported, included JPEGs, TIFF, and PNGs. Remember to save your label with a transparent background unless you want the image background to show. Drag and drop to the desired part and click on the plus sign for add label under the labels tab of the material properties, or double click the material to get label tab. For most part, normal projection mapping type will suit your label placement needs. Pan your camera view to the desired location where you want to place the label and click on the position crosshair button, and then place your label by clicking on the desired location on the model. Normal projection is the only type with the depth adjustment. If the object is curved, then the label might get clipped, but increasing the depth will resolve this issue. Click Done when finished placing the label. Move the angle slider to orient the label with the geometry. If one face of the object is oriented in the y-axis, then you can use the planar Y type for projecting the label. Here the label disappears because this is not in planar Y. If the face is spherical, then you can use spherical mapping by using the combination of scale, position, and rotate. But we are not going to use spherical mapping because the face is flat even though the icon is spherical. For cylindrical surfaces, use cylindrical mapping and adjust the label parameters accordingly. Increasing the light intensity of the label, you can make the label appear brighter or darker. Let me just reposition the label. So as I was saying, with the intensity, you can make it appear brighter or darker. Decreasing the intensity to extremely low will make it a black spot instead of making it visible. If the object has a code of gloss, then change the specularity of the object to white. You can also increase the level of reflectivity by increasing the refraction index. Using labels in Keyshot increases workflow efficiency by accurately mapping images onto your models and eliminating the need to fuss around in post-production. Thank you. Lesson 8. Adjusting lighting. Welcome to the lighting tutorial for Keyshot. Keyshot uses HDR image-based lighting to quickly and easily illuminate your scene. These high dynamic range 32-bit images found in your environment library are projected on the inside of an environment sphere and contain detailed lighting information to create robust and realistic effects. Changing your environment is as easy as dragging and dropping environments from your Keyshot library into your real-time view. The library is organized into subfolders that include studio, outdoor, and interior. Once your environment is set, you can adjust the parameters via the Environment tab in the project window or by corresponding hotkeys, which can be referred by pressing K. With the lighting environment adjusted in the background, we can see how adjusting the parameters has an effect on the environment in real time, with updates occurring all in real time. The majority of adjustments will be through rotation, leaving size and height for fine-tuning, placements of reflection and shadows. Let's try another environment which is more visible on the object. So rotating this environment makes you see changes happening on the object. The majority of adjustments will be through rotation, leaving size and height for fine-tuning placement of reflections and shadows. It is recommended to keep contrast and brightness close to their default values, which was 1, to maintain realism. With HDR image-based lighting, Keyshot makes illuminating your scene fast, easy, and accurate, helping you to create stunning images with minimal effort.